All right, everybody. Happy Friday. This is the first week of the year. Hope everybody had a good holidays, and we are getting back to it. So this week, the main story I would say would be today. We had two different numbers that were released, and it basically gave two different reactions. As far as the non-farm payrolls coming in, they came in this week at 216,000, that is. They were expected to be 170,000. Now that looks like a huge beat, but the reality is there's been a lot of downward revisions the last year or so, meaning the number in this case, for example, comes in at 216,000. And then a few months later, they say, hey, actually, we were incorrect. The number was closer to 170. So that started the day off. Bonds didn't like it, and therefore interest rates went up. And then later on in the day, we got the ISM data in, and that came in at 50.6, and it was expected at 52.6, which doesn't seem like a large beat, but this actually saved rates today, and it erased any of the losses earlier in the day. So at the end of the day, because of these two contrasting numbers, and as far as one beating it and one coming in a lot better than expected, end of the day, it evened out and rates stayed pretty much the same. Now, as far as what I'm expecting for the first part of the year, it's still going to be the same thing. I'm expecting rates to continue to go down. And I just shot a video today on my Instagram if you want to go check it out. And I think what's happening right now is what's called the lag effect. So rates have already started to come down, even though everybody's waiting for March for the Fed announcement. We have to remember the Fed announcement is not mortgage rates. So the Fed minutes, the Fed meeting prior to the end of the year set the tone for what's going to happen in 2024. And so rates have already made a big move down. Now, the good news is for those home buyers out there is the competition has not increased yet. We do expect the increase to happen with the spring season. So we have this lag effect where the rates have already dropped. Competition has remained the same. So if you're looking to get into a home right now, now's a perfect opportunity where you can benefit from those low rates without the increased competition. That's all I have for this week. Have a good weekend, and we'll talk next week.